Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to replay on TradingView on your phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to replay the chart on your TradingView on your phone, first open up your TradingView app, and after opening your TradingView app guys, you'll land on this interface, which is the watch list interface. You can see at the bottom of the screen at the bottom left, we are on the watch list section. Now in order to go to replay mode, we'll be required to tap on the chart button over here just beside the watch list at the bottom left corner. And you can see the three dotted icon over here where it says the analysis hub on the chart window. Tap on analysis hub and you have the bar replay option available for us. Tap on the bar replay and this kind of line will appear for selecting from where you want to replay your candlesticks. And after selecting your candle from where you want to replay, just tap on the line and the replay will be started. You can see and you can see at the bottom here are the controls of the replay mode. You can tap on this play button so to make your tabs or your candles play, and you can determine your speed from over here, and you can change the time frame from over here where it says 1 day, but it will take your premium account in order to change your time frame. With that being said guys, this is how to replay on TradingView on your phone, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.